Hey guys, Chef Leroy here, and out in the garage with my beautiful Harley Road Glide, as I've named Ghost. And I want to show you something. So I've got the S&S pipes. That's what the pipes look like. Okay. And I was kind of showing an install before on this. Now, here's the only problem. I'm going to come down here. I know the video is moving around a bit. So that clamp right there on the left side of the bike, this is the smaller pipe, because the other side is larger. The mount and everything is larger. So I had to get an actual Harley factory clamp, because the clamp that came with the S&S pipe, it literally loosened up twice on me. And my pipe was loose. It wouldn't come off because you've got these bolts that are underneath here that are holding on. There's a bracket under there. So it wouldn't have fallen off, but you would probably affect your sound, right? So I just want to give you that little tidbit on this. Maybe if you pick up these pipes, you might want to think about getting the Harley clamps that come with them. They have a bolt underneath instead of like an Allen wrench that the other one had, so you can tighten it pretty good. And seems like a really nice solid clamp. So that's my suggestion on the Harley. Now, I have not changed the other clamp yet. I just want to pull this one out of the box, bag here for the other side. That one's staying tight still, but this is what the clamp looks like. Bolt right here. You bolt it down underneath like this, so this part's up. But that's the factory Harley point part. So the right side. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. So pipes are fantastic though. Unbelievable sound. Just love them. But you got to watch the clamps. That's the only problem I've had so far. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Chef Leroy, and I'm out.